This ATRACYPART Fourtrax 300 carburetor offers a dependable replacement for a wide range of older Honda utility all-terrain vehicles, including many Foretrax, Foreman, and Rancher models. Fitment is thoughtfully matched to original Honda specifications, so the carburetor aligns well with factory manifolds and air boots without awkward tweaking or forcing parts together. Once tuned, it delivers smooth throttle response and more consistent power, which is especially noticeable on machines that previously had hard starting, hesitation, or uneven idle. Construction quality feels solid, with metal castings and components that hold up well to trail dust, mud, and regular working use, rather than just light, occasional riding. The included air filter, oil filter, spark plug, and throttle or choke cables make this a convenient refresh kit that lets you service several key wear items in one go. Installation is straightforward for anyone reasonably handy with basic tools, turning what could be an intimidating carburetor swap into a manageable afternoon project.